Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.
Hello Stockage users, Namaskar, welcome to yet another video. Thank you so much for becoming part of the Stockage family. I truly value your association. I truly believe that Stockage family can add lot of value in your journey of wealth creation from this beautiful stock market. I think stock market is one platform which has been very underestimated, wrongly used, missold to many people, particularly people who are doing derivatives, options trading, etc. I strongly feel that 99% of people who are asking you to trade derivatives, they don't really care about you. And it's a very strong statement. And I'm very happy that you are part of Stockage family because we really care about you. In this video, I'm going to talk about my best feature of Stockage, my best plan of Stockage, which I'm sure you know about or you would like to know about. It's called Stockage Club. As they say that good people grow together. You are average of 5 people you know. Community becomes a very important thing for mutual growth. Stockage Club was created with only one agenda, that how do I make every single club member of mine super powerful in his or her own ability to take right decision for stock market. Rather, I should not say stock market, for financial market overall, commodity, currency, everything. You should be in a perfect position to know about every asset class which is relevant in your journey of wealth creation. Friends, Stockage Club, as the name denotes, it's a club. It's an exclusive club, exclusive with only few people allowed to become part of this club. Why we have kept it exclusive? Because we want a dedicated effort and resources committed to you. That's why we have kept it exclusive. It's like a Bombay Gymkhana club, exclusive. It's like a Calcutta swimming club, exclusive, and only members can become part of that club. That's why Stockage Club is a plan which is exclusive. It's a subscription plan. You pay money to get subscription to Stockage Club. And what do you get in Stockage Club? First, most important, the complete access of every feature of Stockage. The premium version of Stockage, the pro version of Stockage, complete, look at the window screen in front of you. The complete analytics is part of the Stockage Club. That's the first thing which I give to you. Okay. Second, we have created a platform called social.stockage.com where only paid members of Stockage, be it premium member or pro member or club member, only the paid members of Stockage is part of this community. And let me show you this community. It's one of the most impressive community platform or social platform, or you can call it a club, which we have created for you. You see, if I discover it, what are the things available? There is stock ideas, so you can actually go into that specific room and consume stock ideas which are originated from the philosophies of that particular room. So if you go to momentum investing, you will get stock ideas in momentum investing. If you go to long-term investing, you will get stock ideas in long-term investing. Remember, these stock ideas are merely case studies which is helping you to understand how we are thinking of long-term investing, of medium-term trading, etc. So you can pick few out of these. I strongly recommend don't select all. I recommend select two out of these and just focus your energy in only two style of investing, either momentum investing or long term investing or short term trading or medium term trading, whatever you want to select a combination, or if you are a full time market participant, option strategies, whatever you want to select, select two out of these and get into that idea generation machinery. Second, what you get is a doubt solving. In case you have any doubt, anything you want to ask related to fundamental, related to technical, related to FNO club, anything you have, any question you have, we have team which will try to answer the query which you may have. Hello, my name is Vivek Bajaj. I have more than 20 years experience in stock market, and I can suggest you, if you are serious about stock market, download Stockage app. It will really help you in your journey of wealth creation from stock market. We are changing the platform a bit. You will see queries in a very different manner in the next platform. So right now I'm using the platform which I'm using right now is on 17th of June, but very soon you will see a very different platform with different presentation of queries. Okay. Basically, what we want you to do is learn and earn. Learn and earn. Lot of learning is part of Stockage Club. And if you attend all the learning sessions which are hosted here, look at the kind of learnings we have: post-market learning, strategy-specific learning, market 360. So much of learning we are giving to our club members that if you truly want to become an independent market participant, no one can hold you. It's just that you need to put an extra effort to become that DIY in true sense. Let me put it the other way. Stockage Club is an assisted DIY platform. In your journey of becoming DIY, if at all you need any kind of assistance, guidance, any kind of help, then my team and me are involved in helping you in this journey. Is Stockage Club a tip platform, a stock tip platform? The answer is no. We are not like other stock tip platform, because stock tip is like making you dependent on us. Our philosophy is my every single club member should be independent, value, and should be able to contribute in his or her journey of wealth creation from stock market. So if you want to become independent, I think this is the perfect platform for you. And I think you have already taken the decision of becoming part of Stockage Club. So thank you so much for becoming part of Stockage Club. This is philosophically Make in India, made in India for you, and let's grow together. Thank you so much for watching this video. Jai Hind.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.